Bomb cyclone and bombogenesis are both terms being used to describe this already powerful and impactful storm system that has been impacting much of the Pacific Northwest. It just so happens to be steering an atmospheric river right into the northern half of California. And yes, it is a real term that has been used before, but if this is the first time you are hearing about it, let's break it down. So, a bomb cyclone, just like the one that you see here, is a term given to a storm that has strengthened very rapidly in a short amount of time. The bomb part of the phrase comes from bombogenesis, which in the meteorology world describes a storm that experiences a drop in pressure, specifically 24 millibars or more, in a time period of 24 hours. So it really all boils down to it being a technical term used to describe how fast a storm is able to strengthen, and they are often associated with some pretty significant weather events. And you may not have heard this term just because most storms that do this are ones that form on the East Coast. Strong winter storms known as nor'easters are often said to bomb out as they strengthen. Also, as an example, Hurricane Milton that made landfall on Florida as a Category 3 storm is an example of a storm that experienced bombogenesis. So yes, it is a real term. It is often used. I think it can heavily be sensationalized in today's world where headlines are just important to drawing in a viewer. But I don't want it to discount the fact that these storms can and have produced significant weather events in the past, and they're not a new term that has been coined specifically to scare you.